Reasons to build your e-commerce platform on Shopify. In a fast-growing world of e-commerce, it is easy to get lost in all the possibilities of building your own website, especially if you don't have any IT background. But worry no more, since with Shopify you can create your own e-commerce platform from scratch without any developer skills. Yes, there are other services you can use for this purpose, but we will concentrate on Shopify only since it is one of the most convenient and usable ones. A little pre-story. Before you consider using Shopify to build your own online store, you might wonder about the story behind this company. If not diving too deep, it goes like this. More than a decade ago, snowboard enthusiasts wanted to sell the winter sports equipment. After long, exhausting, and unfulfilling browsing, they have decided to make their very own platform that would help entrepreneurs like them. Years after, something that started as a helping tool became a giant platform that you can use for building your very own e-commerce website in 1 hour. So why Shopify? To answer this question best, it is important to list all the benefits and advantages of this concrete platform. Easy to maintain. As was stated from the beginning, you don't need any coding skills to create your online store. Shopify provides more than 100 themes you can choose from to make your shop in your own likable way. So even if it is your first time creating a page on the internet, it might take you somewhat an hour to get started with selling goods. Free start. Shopify allows all users to try their service with a 14-day trial period. This is very convenient since you get a chance to check if it works out for you. While being on a test period, you don't have access to all the advanced features that the platform provides, but you can pretty much get the gist and make your decision. Reasonable charge. If you decide to stick with Shopify after the trial period, you need to get a subscription to continue using the service. And you might be pleased to know that the fee is more than suitable and affordable. The basic plan will cost you only $29 a month, while the most advanced subscription with all the features goes for $299 a month. There is also an extra fee the site charges with every purchase, 2.9%. After some time of using Shopify, you might want to upgrade your online store with new design or tools, and to do so you still don't have to go elsewhere since the company provides many extra services for that. Apps to use. One of the best things about Shopify is its App Store, which proved hundreds of services and applications you can easily integrate into your business. There are dozens of varieties, including email marketing features, listing options, and of course on-site recommendations. Most of the applications are aimed to help entrepreneurs to convert website visitors into customers and as the result raise sales. You can find both free to use and paid add-ons. Dropshipping. This is one especially noted feature of Shopify since it helps to make the starting phase even easier for customers. Basically, dropshipping is a business model to keep the goods in warehouses or stocks and maintain their shipping through a third party. In the Shopify ad store that was mentioned earlier, you can find all kinds of dropshipping apps such as Dropship or Spocket that will be the link in the chain that will connect you and your customer. It all in the name. Working on your own brand, it is very important to have a unique and memorable name. Shopify gives you such an opportunity since you get to choose your own domain host name. With your remarkable title, your online store will look more attractive and professional. Smartphone managing. Last but not least advantage of Shopify that we would like to mention is the ability to manage your online store with your telephone. It is very convenient since you might not always have access to a laptop or PC, and a mobile version of your website that can be maintained in a few clicks might be getting handy. These were the 7 most important benefits of using Shopify as your e-commerce building tool. But if that was not convincing enough, there are a few more honorable mentions such as 24/7 accessible support, detailed customer analytics, and search engine. Quick note. At this point, you might get very excited already, but we just want to say right off the bat that even with all the great features that Shopify provides, the possibilities are more limited if comparing with a professional e-commerce agency that will build your own website. But even with that, you still can create a full working platform that will help you to sell goods all over the world. If this video was useful for you and you are ready to start working with Shopify, follow the link in the description. There you can also find a link to an excellent service that allows you to copy the products of any Shopify store to your store, or save them to your computer locally in any format, CSV, XLS, XML, etc., for further analysis and use. And don't forget to click the like button and hit subscribe. In conclusion, Shopify is a great service that helps thousands of entrepreneurs to start their own businesses in one day. It has a vast variety of options and features that allow every user to build their own e-commerce platform without any knowledge in programming or coding. The intuitive design facilitates the process of creating a website and allows to start selling in a matter of hours. To make the beginning process even easier, Shopify provides all users opportunity to start with a free 14-day trial period, and after it expires, users can switch to a subscription that will cost less than $30. While using the service, customers can stick to all the free apps from the Shopify App Store, or they might choose some of the paid options. With that being said, even those who never tried online selling before have a chance to try themselves in e-commerce and find their first buyer. It is simple, convenient, cheap, and designed specifically for beginners in the area. And even with some limitations that website builder might bring, Shopify provides great service that brings every ambitious and proactive entrepreneur closer to their dream of building their own online store. And with the platform constantly improving, it is safe to say that in the future the process of creating your own e-commerce platform with Shopify will get even more convenient and accessible.